Well, I'm sure you heard of the red carpet. This is the green carpet. My old trail, we're going to walk back by it. This area was always fairly clear in here. Now we enter the old trail. The old trail is still here. One of my favorite spots. All back here. This little peninsula area actually protected it. Used to walk through these small little trees right here. They're protected. And it's always reminded me of Lost, the bamboo forest. If anybody is familiar with Lost, where the show started and ended. Kind of cool. Always walk through here. Across. Now this was cut. This, according to my plans, is going to be a drainage ditch area. Not quite sure how. It's higher than the rest of the land. So, path kind of kept going through here. Luckily, they can't go past that little drainage area over there and take a walk. This area over here, as you can see, it's all black because that's where the water runs when there's a lot of rain, and it goes into the swamp over there. So now we got a little rise over here. Kind of hard to get my bearings with the trees missing, but my entrance is over here. I promise you that. Here it is, right here. Coming right down into here. They kept this nice big tree here. I'm kind of happy about that. Kept those pines over there right on the edge of the hill. And then you go in here now where, all these briars, as you can see, quite a bit of briars. Then we come over here. In this area I've been walking quite a few years now. This was made. Gotta love that mark. They put it on this side of the tree. But I guess that meant don't cut that tree. Well, they made the right decision. And we got a nice big pine right here. This is an old baby right here. Then we got my bridge back. A small little bridge. It gets a little wet here in the winter in this area. Then we got a pretty decent piece of dry land right here. A lot of briars. It's a beautiful trail. The first bridge I built, I'm going to say 2008, this bridge. Somewhere around then. So it's approximately 4 years old. This gets very wet in this area, as you can see. Whenever you see the green moss, it always gets wet. It's end of July right now while I'm taking this film. So it's the dry season. And this trail's been here for a long time. I don't know if the mic can pick up them birds singing. And we got an big old pine over here. Very many years old, this unit, that's for sure. Yeah, look at that thing. And we got a little platform marking the entrance to the trail. And then we're back home. And where the little baby plum trees are trying to grow back. I guess I'll let it. And that's the end of my documentary.